Lovely viewers, welcome again to the channel. Today we are coming to you from the Sunyani airport located here in the bonoregion of Ghana. This airport has been under renovation for some time now, but with pressure from leaders in the region, the process was expedited to see its commissioning today at the Bono regional capital. The airport, which only serves domestic flights, has been in existence for some time, but there was the need for a facelift of the facility, which saw the phase 1 of the development of the airport. Today, the President of the Republic of Ghana, together with some important people in government, such as the Transport Minister, the Information Minister, the NPP National Chairman-elect, who also is a son of the land, some dignitaries, and the members of Bono Regional House of Chiefs commissioned the project, which is expected to serve the people of the region in domestic travels. Please watch the program, and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Follow us on our social media channels as SunsetDroneGh, and please don't forget to share for others too to watch the good things which are happening in the region.
Meda obibia asi afi enkofi enfiasu na bonomai etiase Ghana etiase na wakonya kasi etiase nda no nyina asi
Board and management of civil aviation, religious and traditional leaders, members of the security forces, stakeholders in the aviation industry. Aviation hub within West African sub-region and beyond. Over the past years, we have and will continue to expand the capacity of our airport infrastructure and services to respond to the growing demand of our people. Mr. President, as I speak, both the Kumasi and Tamale airports have been upgraded into international status, whilst the rehabilitation of one airport has been completed and open for commercial operations. Feasibility study is also ongoing to develop an airport in either the central region or western region or in between the two regions. Preparation is also ongoing for government to partner a strategic investor to establish a home-based carrier to provide domestic and international travel. Mr. President, the Ministry will and look forward to the expansion of domestic operation across the country. I am pleased to mention that Ashner, Mr. President, one of the domestic carriers is finalizing modalities for commencement of flight operation to Sunyani. The Muga, Omodi Omuka Tababong, Mama inspection, that he read any Bedina and check on that operation to Sunyani. There is also every indication that the domestic travel market has recovered from the COVID-19 pandemic that hit the whole world by 70% from 2020 to 2021 after a drop of about 38% we experienced from 2019 to 2020. Mr. President, during the construction of the airport, employment was created for artisans and others unskilled workers within the region. It is expected that reopening of the airport will create even more job opportunities and boost economic activities for the indigenous and beyond, facilitate air connectivity to to other regions, as well as promote trade and eco-tourism. To commence operation to the Sunyani Airport and other regional airports, including Ho Airport, to improve services and create opportunity for more people to travel by air. Mr. President, before I take my seat, I would like to commend the contractor and the supervisors of this project for its successful completion, and the chief and people of Bruno for their patience during the period of construction. To the chief and people of Bruno, on behalf of His Excellency, I would like to thank you very much for the stress and the pressure you put me through. I appreciate it, I accept it, it's part of the job. And especially your regional minister and other regional ministers, like Akuffo and Bruno East, and other MPs, especially in the Commission. You were always in my office discussing when this airport was going to be completed. Most of the strategies and the plans I had to do. So now, thank you very much for your support and your advice. Now, that was Nemo, my Penana Kalawa, University, and your work, and your travel.
Ohio Yantre Emmanuel Enterprise to Inku Ghana berekum. Na haya wabayi wanyama bibiri. Nyama started with angle grinders. Angle grinders ne were types bibiri. We see in the main fan sense and Juma form. Welders, carpenters, traitors, plumbers. Mason for Ubia used to be angle grinders and so your types your kitwa. Actually, Oba Yantre Emmanuel Enterprise to Inku Ghana. Ubia Ukitabia to Niamana boy for your router hammers, we especially air conditioning for ne plumbers, welders, Ubia na your some machine with the beer me who we carpenter for no surface and a kitchen cabinet no bet my use we load the nails no nails need the load.